Chapter 9. Hi guys! Do you remember Scratch program? Okay, I know we have already studied in the earlier classes. Of course, now we are going to learn conditional formatting, operators and variables. This chapter name is More on Scratch. Okay, so what's next? Scratch programming was designed specifically to ensure creativity and to allow the developers to discover their own creative ideas and apply them in reality in the form of images and sounds to invent multimedia softwares on the go. A decent young programmer with just a few days of experience can develop games, create animations, etc. In programming, a condition is something that must be true in order for something to happen. A condition is thus said to evaluate to true or evaluate to false. In Scratch, any block whose labels say if, forever if, or if else is a sort of conditional construct. In Scratch, you can create project with the help of block using logical reasoning. Guys, let's understand a Scratch project. Okay, alright. How can you create a new file in Scratch? First of all, you click on the new option from the file menu. After that, you click on the stage icon to the left of the sprite list. Next, you can click on the background tab present next to the script tab. After you choose an existing background, click on the Import button in New Background section. The Import Background dialog box appears. Then after, you can choose the basketball code background from the sports category. After, delete cat sprite and add basketball sprite from the things category on the stage. Reduce its size using the shrink button. Drag the block to script area. Place the block beneath. Next, add block from motion category and change the value 20. Place the block beneath the block. Drag, turn 15 degrees. Block from the sensing block palette and place it over the block to check a condition and take decision. Select its option from the drop-down menu of the touching block. The touching block lets you check whether the sprite is touching the edge of the stage or the mouse pointer. Drag turn 15 degrees the block from the motion category and place it inside forever if block and change the value from 15 to 5. Place the change color effect by 25 block from looks category and block from motion category beneath the block. Finally, you click on the green flag button and observe the ball moving all around the stage. To change the condition, select mouse pointer option from the drop-down list of the block and again click on the green flag button and run the script. You will see that neither the blocks inside the block will execute nor the sprite will turn back from the edge. The ball will move only if you place the mouse pointer over the ball. Mathematical operator in Scratch. Scratch provides you the tools to perform a variety of operations. Let's perform calculations in Scratch project. Step 1. First of all, as usual, open Scratch window. Delete cat sprite. Step 2. Then click on the Choose New Sprite from File button. Select the Fantasy folder from the New Sprite dialog box. Step 3. After select the Fantasy 1B sprite from the options and click OK. Then select the Costumes tab and add Fantasy 1A costume using the Import button. Step 5. Drag the when click block and place it in the script area. Step 6. Drag the See Hello for 2 seconds and next costume block from the Looks block category and snap them together underneath when clicked block. Step 7. click and drag Say Hello block from the looks block and snap underneath the next costume block. Step 8. Click and drag the plus block from the operators block category and snap it Say Hello inside the block type the numbers and inside the block as shown here. Step 9. Click on green flag to run the script and observe the sprite calculating the given numbers. So, now you know how to use arithmetic and logic operators. In the next, you will learn about variables. Variables. Often a variable is just a name that represents a value. Variables can hold one value at a time. First, go to the data menu. Then click Make a Variable. The new variable window will appear. Call the variable's score and click OK. Friends, try to find about variable program with the help of your teacher. Okay, bye now.